Hey guys, so we have here our old brush cutter, or also called clearing saw, and this one has a couple of hours or many hours behind it, so the blade is already pretty used up, and in this video we want to replace it here pretty quickly. So first we're making sure that the knob, the power switch, is turned off, and we're also pulling out the spark plug, and then we're going to take a close look on the top part of the blade. We find this little hole here, and that's where we are going to stick in the screwdriver, and then we're rotating the blade until the screwdriver goes in just a little bit more, so about an inch, and then we're going to leave that there, and then we're going to take a look at the bottom side of the blade. Here we find this nut, and we're going to remove this by rotating it clockwise. So this is not as you normally remove a nut or a bolt. Just going to remove this here in the clockwise direction, and when we're taking this off, we're going to really be careful to remember in what order and in what direction all these parts are on that we're going to remove now. So we have first the nut, of course, and we have here this little cup kind of thing, and then behind there we have here this metal washer. Also make sure you remember in what direction that is put on the blade, and then here we can finally remove the blade. So this is like an old 12-inch blade, and then behind there we have more parts. So here there's like another metal piece. This is the one where we stuck the screwdriver in to block it. So you see how this is how that fits, and you're going to see inside here. Take a look inside, make sure this is really clean, and also make sure that you have some grease, or that it's filled up with grease. I don't have any grease at home right now, so I'm going to purchase that and fill it back up, fill up that area with grease. And then here we have our new blade. This one is a little bit bigger diameter, but here the size of the hole, that's exactly the same, so that fits on here really nicely. You see how that metal piece behind it has like this little cutout that it fits in there. Then we're going to put this washer on here in the right orientation, and then here this cover plate, the spacer, and then here we have the nut. And of course we're going to put on the nut the right way, and also here right now we have to rotate this here clockwise, or counterclockwise actually. In order to tighten it, we rotate this counterclockwise. Again, we can put here our screwdriver into that hole in order to tighten it really well. So in general, this should not come off when you're using the machine, because it should be self-tightening. The nut should never come off by running it. Okay, so that was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.